What'd you get, Essence?
A new MP3 player.
Oh, it's a DVD player from Grandma, and it's pink. Now you can watch all your movies on there.
It's time for your next one. Yeah, time for your next one. Time for my next one, Dad.
Oh,
Yeah.
careful. A little door doll.
Sorry, Mom. That's from Grandma. Wow, what is this? It's a new computer.
Oh, look at that, Essence. Isn't that cool? Just like Mommy's.
It's like mine.
Wow, Essence, look. Probably need batteries though. Woo.
I got fun handsets. Yes. And look it. You know how to open it? That's my first one. Like pink one, Mom.
One more, Essence. Here you go.
Hey, you have
Essence, there you go.
one more handset.
And then there's another one right there.
And here's another one. You should open out another one.
Socks! Look at all the pretty socks. Woo! Oh, wow. Is there more? Nice. All gone?
Can you wax this up for me? Want me to open it? Yep.
There you go.
Big one.
You know they were supposed to switch these, eh?
What? Yeah.
I have presents.
Oh, look at your pretty shirts. Look. Are you going to wear these to school?
Yep.
Yep. Nice pants. Look at that. Nice black pants. And your jeans. Look at these brown ones. They got gold on them, Essence. And nice red ones.
And that's it.
And that's it.
Essence with two E's.
Huh? Yeah.
S's.
No, just one S. Yeah. That's for you and Lyrel.
That's it.
For you and Lyrel. What is it?
That's what I got.
What is it? It's for you and Lyrel,
You
Essence.
and me.
What is it? For you and Lyrel.
It's for us, Essence.
There's Lyrel's.
That's mine.
That's Spider-Man for Lyrel. What's yours? What's yours?
Princess. I mean, Dora.
Oh, it's for Dora. Look at your cup.
Happy birthday. I mean, here you go.
You're supposed to say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Hi.
Oh,
Ow.
check those out. Aren't those cool?
Hello. Hello. Coffee. Dora.
Dora.
I'm
Say
just-
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Lyrel.
Merry Christmas.
Go kisses. Merry Christmas, Essence.
You didn't take a picture of me for real.
I said, Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
Just keep kissing that.
Yeah.
Love it. Merry Christmas. Why do you keep kissing that when I keep saying Merry Christmas? Merry Christmas. No, it's in the fridge.